Every day, the sun shines down on millions of people on Earth. Although it's so far away, it has such a great impact on us and allowed us to evolve in ways we can't imagine. So, in the modern era of technology, we have learned how to use the sun to our benefit in energy. Solar energy is simply the light and heat that comes from the sun. Solar panels are usually made from silicon installed in a metal panel frame with a glass casing. When this metal is exposed to photons of sunlight, it releases electrons and produces an electric charge. Finally, the electrical current is captured and transferred to wires. This energy source is so great because it is renewable and it's the first step to a carbon-free future because it does not release any harmful chemicals like carbon dioxide in the atmosphere.
Here are just some trials that we have that do not necessarily work. But what is engineering all about? Learning from our mistakes. We used the engineering design process and started with brainstorming separately and then created our own models in SketchUp. Then, we combined ideas and made an even better model. We learned lots of new concepts like gear ratio and torque.
Gear ratio is a ratio between the amount of teeth on the gears that make our car turn that determine the torque and speed. Though we've tested many gear ratios, the gear ratio that we decided on was a ratio of 3-to-1 to maximize and balance the amount of torque and speed to get the best movement. Torque is the measure of the force that causes an object to rotate, so how much force our wheels rotate with, and speed is how quickly our wheels rotate. If we didn't have the right balance, the wheels wouldn't have enough force to move the car, or they wouldn't move fast enough to get a car moving fast.
Next, we started gathering materials. We used cardboard, straws, hot glue, string, a DC motor, gears, markers, and obviously the solar panel. Our car is made out of 100% upcycled materials because we are environmental stewards and we want to protect our Earth. The car will have a lower carbon footprint. Finally, here's our car working in action. This is our first test of our solar car. 3, 2, 1, go.